Hey guys, came across a website the other day. Came across it by accident, really. Gunwatcher.com. You can pretty much find any gun you want. Just for a couple of quick examples, just type in SCAR. You can also find class 3s, but anyway, just type in SCAR or any other gun that you want to look up. I looked up SCAR just for an example, which it comes up with a bunch of other little odds and ends. Let's find one here. Alright, here we go. A SCAR 16S black. And they'll give little descriptions in whatever they have. And here it's $24.99. And it also gives the site SGC USA. So chances are, if you go over here and click on it, it bring up the website. There you go. They have 2 available. How about that one? Wish I had 2,500 bucks. Alright, here's another one that I looked up just for giggles anyway. Let's see what we have here. An FN 57, and well, there's only one. It comes in, it's got 3 little tabs: stores, auctions, which are like gun broker, and then classifieds like arms list or Guns America, sorry. And Mark II 320 round mags for $11.49. And who has it? High Plains Gun Shop. Just go over here and click, and pesky pop-ups. Anyway, let's see what High Plains have. And there she is, out of stock. Sometimes they'll tell you the truth, sometimes they won't. But that's what it was. Alright. And then just another, I typed in, I want to check something else here. ACR. And we're still on the stores tab. They have 95 stores. Says they have a Bushmaster ACR side folder, which, like I said, some of these come up with accessories that may be the gun. So we'll go over to auctions, which that's not the auctions. Here's the auctions. Gun broker, $8.99, $17.99, $8.75. Some of those are actually the bids, and some of those are actually the buy it nows, which you do have the tabs over here for bids and buy it now, so it could be either one. You go over to classifieds, and you can view, you can go to state, whichever you live in, but some of these arms lists, I don't trust them. If you can, deal with locals. So there's for sale Bushmaster ACR folding stock, 1,200 bucks. That's what they're asking. Whether or not, if you want to deal with arms list, some of them might have Guns America, maybe some other sites, but 9 times out of 10 it's going to be arms list. Let's try, let's say a Mahdi. Three in store. And they are all Atlantic Firearms. $6.99, $7.75, $7.75. And I will tell you, sometimes they will be listed in here and the store will be out of stock. So, and any auctions, Gun Broker, Guns America, Gun Broker. For what it is, I do like this site, and it is one of the better sites that I've seen so far. So it kind of gives a little description of what it is. Fold-in Egyptian Mahdi AK-47 AKM 7.62x39. So I figured I'd share this, guys. See what you guys think, and hopefully this was helpful in any way. Comment, subscribe. Y'all have a good one.